Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Shop by Nano. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet, how to join these beautiful granny squares. Let's start it. To join the second square, start with round 3, chain 3 instead of 7 chains. One single crochet in the opposite fourth chain, skip 3 in the fourth chain, make one single crochet stitch, then chain 3, then one single crochet in the same square in the next chain space, then chain 2, then one single crochet in the opposite side, skip 2 in the third chain, make one single crochet, chain 2, another chain 2, then one single crochet in the same square in the next chain space, then chain 3, one single crochet in the next fourth chain in the opposite square, then chain 3. Complete the granny as you work as the first square. Chain 1 to fasten off and weaving ends. Thank you for watching. If you like it, gives me big thumbs up to see more. See you, bye bye.